Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating essentials: an active Azure subscription, a resource group, and an Azure AD tenant so permissions work cleanly. Once done, install the Azure CLI and the Latch SDK on your workstation and run as login to authenticate. Make sure to create a service principal and generate a client secret. Note the app ID and callback URL for Latch. These values will tie Azure AD and Latch together, so copy them precisely and store them securely for the next configuration steps. You now register the integration in Azure AD. Create an app registration, add the correct redirect URI, and grant the API permissions Latch requires. Then configure the Latch SDK in your application by setting environment variables, app ID, client secret, and the callback URL you recorded earlier. Next, implement role mappings and conditional access policies so Latch controls access consistently. Finally, request the proper OAuth scopes from Latch and test a token exchange. You complete the setup by running an end-to-end sign-in. Start an Azure AD authentication, accept Latch consent, and verify your app receives and validates the token. Once done, monitor Azure Monitor and the Latch dashboard to watch for authentication errors or denied scopes. If something breaks, first recheck the client secret and the exact redirect URL string, then confirm OAuth scopes and that system clocks are synchronized. Those checks fix most issues quickly. If not, enable verbose logging to capture the failing request details for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.